Upgrading your home's windows may not always be the first improvement that comes to mind, but it's one of the most impactful investments you can make. For homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance overall home value, energy-efficient replacement windows offer a wide range of benefits. In Metairie, where heat and humidity are common, making the switch can significantly improve your day-to-day living experience. One of the most immediate advantages of energy-efficient windows is better temperature control. Older windows often allow air to leak in and out, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor environment. During hot months, cool air escapes while heat seeps inside, forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed with advanced sealing and insulation features that help keep indoor temperatures stable, making your home more comfortable year-round. Lower energy bills are another major benefit. Because these windows reduce air leakage and improve insulation, your HVAC system doesn't have to run as frequently or as long to maintain your desired temperature. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on your monthly utility costs. In a place like Metairie, where cooling costs can be high, this efficiency can make a significant financial difference. Improved comfort goes beyond just temperature. Energy-efficient windows help eliminate drafts and reduce hot or cold spots throughout your home. Instead of dealing with rooms that feel too warm or too chilly, you'll enjoy a more balanced and consistent indoor climate. This creates a more pleasant living environment for you and your family. Another important advantage is enhanced noise reduction. Modern energy-efficient windows often feature multiple panes of glass and insulated frames, which help block outside noise. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want a quieter home, this added insulation creates a more peaceful indoor space. Protection from harmful UV rays is another benefit many homeowners overlook. Energy-efficient windows often include special coatings that help block ultraviolet rays from entering your home. This not only protects your skin but also helps prevent furniture, flooring, and decor from fading over time. In sunny areas like Metairie, this added protection can help preserve the look and value of your interior. These windows also help manage indoor humidity levels. In humid climates, excess moisture can lead to discomfort and even issues like mold or mildew. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize the infiltration of humid outdoor air, making it easier to maintain a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. Durability and low maintenance are additional reasons homeowners choose to upgrade. Modern replacement windows are built with high-quality materials that resist warping, corrosion, and wear. This means they require less upkeep and maintain their performance and appearance for years to come. With fewer repairs and less maintenance, you can enjoy long-term peace of mind. Upgrading your windows also enhances your home's curb appeal. New windows provide a clean, updated look that can transform both the interior and exterior of your home. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes available, you can choose options that complement your home's design and reflect your personal taste. Increased home value is another important consideration. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers, making your home more competitive in the market. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, knowing your home has added value is always a benefit. Finally, investing in energy-efficient replacement windows is an investment in your overall quality of life. From improved comfort and lower energy costs to enhanced aesthetics and long-term durability, the benefits are both immediate and lasting. For homeowners in Metairie, upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows is a smart, practical choice. It's a simple improvement that delivers powerful results, helping you create a more comfortable, efficient, and valuable home for years to come.